So in order to install this into your own solution, you go to our website and you download it, and you'll get a file called soSIMPLE Calendar Add-On.zip. When you expand that file, it turns into just a single folder called soSIMPLE Calendar. And what you want to do is you want to put that into the add-on modules folder. On the Mac, that is located inside your personal directory. That's what the tilde means. /library, inside your personal library, inside application support, inside FileMaker, inside extensions, inside add-on modules. So this is the path you're going to. Our installation information will include the Windows directory for this as well. So you just put that in there. I just wanted to make sure FileMaker wasn't already running. Now you open up FileMaker, and again it has to be FileMaker 19. And I'm just going to create a brand new demo file for this. And I'm going to call this soSIMPLE Demo. And I'm just going to take the defaults here. I'm going to go into layout mode. And the first time you're using FileMaker, you may actually not be showing this left-hand panel. So I just click this Show Hide panel up here. And right alongside Fields and Objects is this other area called Add-Ons. If you click the plus button at the bottom of that, you'll see, because of that drag and drop that I just did, you're going to see soSIMPLE Calendar as an available add-on. By selecting that, it's going to add all the tables and layouts that you need for this functionality. We've designed soSIMPLE Calendar to be well integrated into your own data. So we do give you sample data to make it easy to install and use right away. You can also integrate it into your own data. So I'm dragging this onto my layout, and the main thing I'm making sure is I'm putting it in the upper left corner of the body. I don't want to put it in the header. And as soon as I put it in, there it is. I'm going to go back into browse mode just to show you how quick and easy it all was. And here it is. This is our calendar. And I'm going to open this up a little bit just so you can see the whole thing. So one thing that the calendar, so first of all, this is the calendar, this is the navigation if you have a small screen. One of the things the calendar does is scales, but when you add it through the add-on, you actually need to modify one little piece of this. And so what you want to do is you want to go into layout mode and you want to make sure that you've anchored the group. So I just selected the whole group that I dragged in, and I'm anchoring it to all corners. I'm going to click again, and that'll select the web viewer that the calendar is in. There are actually two web viewers here. There's the calendar, and then there's the calendar selection tool. I'm going to also stretch this in both directions. Now the calendar is going to be nice and big. This one I can make tall. That'll be nice. So I'll just do that direction. And the truth is, I could even ungroup this if I want to take up more of the screen. I might go in here and I might say, let's take this whole thing, arrange, ungroup, and now I can take this piece and I can put it maybe that up in the header. Take this up here. And now when I go back into browse mode, although this is a little bit hidden, we go put it in the footer just so that we can see it better, but you can change colors of that, do whatever you want with that. It's just a little configuration tool. I'm going to go into browse mode, and here's my calendar. And not only that, but now if I expand it way out, the calendar will take up all the room it needs. These menus will open up.